Magandang gabi, Manila! Ako si Harry Jong. It's so nice to meet you guys here. It's my pleasure to be here tonight with y'all and with SB19.
For those who don't know, Terry is one of the producers who helped us make this Moonlight. So,
Everyone, a round of applause for Terry.
Terry Jong, everyone.
Alam mo, may napansin ako kay Terry Jong. Parang may pinapanood ako dati na kamukha niya.
sino?
Di ko sure correct me if I'm wrong. Kamukha niya ba si, Sung Joong Ki?
Oh, yeah. No, hindi ko naman si.
You know him? You know him? Oh, come on. I know him. I know him.
Yeah, so
Thank you guys. Thank you guys.
By the way,
Oh my
Terry,
God.
how are you finding the Philippines so far?
I'm a little overwhelming though.
Why? What about the crowd? Because about the crowd? Because of the crowd?
Yeah, the crowd is
They love you
crazy.
so much, right? You love Terry?
Yeah. You say the crowd is crazy. Let them know how crazy you guys are. That's good.
Because of that, do you mind if we dance Moonlight for them?
Yeah.
Okay?
Should I do it? Alright, let's do it!
Okay. Let's do it.
Come on, AT, let's make some noise for Terry John!
Let's dance together, guys.
Everyone dance
Join
with us,
us.
okay?
Let's do Moonlight with Terry. Okay,